Hi, I'm JJ. I'm the Global Product Manager for Can-Am Side-by-Side. We're here in Texas where we're trying the 3 new members of the Defender family. Right next to me we have the new Defender Limited. The big feature with this new vehicle is the air conditioning system on it. So it's a complete HVAC system for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. The number one request was, when is air conditioning coming? Well, here it is today. And we didn't just stop there. We're introducing the industry's first auto climate control system. What this means is you set it and you forget it, as simple as that. So you set a temperature, you put it in automatic mode, and the system will go to between heating and cooling on its own. But not only that, we have a variable compressor on it. What does that mean? We get double the cooling power at low RPM. So knowing how you're going to be riding a work vehicle at low RPM and you're just going to be stopping in different areas to get a job done, well, the vehicle will be able to do a good job in cooling itself. But it is a limited package, so we needed to make sure that we put lots of equipment and features on it. So going from the front to the rear, it includes a new XT premium bumper on it. We have a winch. Our design team did an amazing job on the LED signature that's new to this vehicle. We also included a new dust filter on it. So one of the reasons why someone will buy a cab vehicle is because they're riding in a very dusty environment and they want to be protected against that environment. But then as we look at the vehicle and the cab on its own, there's also some really cool features in it. One of those is this flippable windshield. So if you're riding in a day and that's cool and you want a little bit more air in the vehicle, very simple, you just pop that open. Looking at the cab also itself, we have electric windows on both sides in the cab. That is a really nice feature. Our design team also did a great job in premium seating with limited badging because it is a limited vehicle. And looking at the inside, so it's a Defender, so it's able to deliver with class-leading storage. It is the industry's biggest cockpit, and as a Can-Am product, all those nice features and benefits and attention to details that are in a Can-Am. So meaning we have the flippable seats if you want to bring your dog on board, if you want to put additional storage also in the vehicle. So on this completes all the features and benefits of this great new Defender Limited. If you have any questions, please go to brp.com. Thank you and have a great day.